In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove conditional formatting in Google Sheets. If your sheet is changing colors based on rules you no longer need, like checkboxes turning green when checked, removing those rules will bring everything back to a neutral look. This won't delete your data or your checkboxes, it only clears the styling driven by those rules. Start by opening Google Sheets in the spreadsheet you want to clean up. Make sure you're looking at the correct tab if your file has multiple sheets. Now, highlight the cells that contain the checkboxes affected by the formatting. You can do this by clicking and dragging across the range, shift-clicking the first and last cells in the area, or selecting the entire column if all checkboxes are in one place. The key is to select the range where the formatting currently applies so you see the relevant rules in the next step. With your cells selected, go up to the top menu and click Format. From that drop-down, choose Conditional Formatting. This opens a sidebar on the right. You'll see a list of rules, and at the top, an Apply to Range section that shows which cells each rule targets. Because you selected the checkbox area first, Google Sheets will surface the rules that apply to those cells. Look through the existing conditional format rules and find the one that's styling your checkboxes. It might be based on text is exactly true, false, checkbox is checked, or a custom formula. Click the rule to view its details and confirm it's the one driving the color or style you want to remove. If multiple rules are stacked on the same range, you can review them one by one. To remove the formatting, click Remove Rule in the Rules panel. In some layouts, you may see a trash can icon. Clicking that does the same thing. As soon as you remove the rule, the colors or styles tied to it will disappear from your selected cells. If there are additional rules affecting the same range, repeat removing them until the checkboxes display with normal formatting. That's it. Your cells remain intact, your checkboxes still work, and only the conditional styling has been cleared. If you remove a rule by mistake, press undo to restore it. For a tidy workflow, always select the intended range first so you only adjust rules where you mean to. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to remove conditional formatting in Google Sheets.